Really cool. It's like a kind of like a fidget pen kind of thing.
Yeah, I saw a Fidget on the Amazon list. I was wondering.
So basically,
Whoa, you can make a ballista out of it?
yeah, you can make all these things out of this, and then you can make it into a pen too. So this is the inner part for the pen.
Yeah.
And these are all hollow tubes. And these are the beads that come to it, and you can do all kinds of stuff with it.
They're magnetic?
Mm-hmm. It's all magnets. Like you take this out. These are all magnetic pieces. You know, oh, I guess there's a pen in it too now. That's a backup one. So there's a pen there. I have to look at it, but basically it does something.
When you start making stuff, let me see.
Okay, like this comes out. I think this is a pen.
It's just a first look video.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know how it all works yet, but I'm going to figure it out.
You get one big ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I see. This comes out. Yeah, and this all comes out, and it can become like a whole thing. So see, I can pull this apart, and this will come out somehow.
What's the total number of segments there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
I like how it's all different colors.
Rainbow. Rainbowy. Yeah, and then these are all magnetic too. And I don't know what this is yet. Oh, it's the pen end or something?
Like the plunger.
Oh, this is stylus. There's also styluses.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool.
Styli.
2 styli. Anyways, it's going to be fun to play with.
Cool.
I just always
How much does that cost?
It went down in price, $10.
Wow.
$10, $11.
What was it normally?
It used to be almost 20. And it went down.
Cool. Almost half price.
Yeah.
Good deal.
It was like 34% off or something.
Put the link in the
Yeah.
description below.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Pretty cool.